Hello, everybody, and welcome back for your week in 19 of PE instruction. This week we are continuing with the cone flipping here at school. We had a great time last week, and the kids asked for it again this week. So we're going to do it again this week, and I'm going to do a couple modifications just where instead of challenging each other, they can level up to different levels. So this week you are going to do some cup stacking. Our week here at school is a short Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday early release. And so I decided that I would just stick with them on the cone flipping since they enjoyed it. And then next week we're going to start our new unit of instruction. So you guys are going to learn about some cup stacking. Cup stacking is great for your brain activity, especially anytime we are able to cross our midline. So this is the midline of our body all the way down. And anytime we do anything where the right hand can cross over to the left side of the body, or our left hand can cross over to the right side of the body, that really works on our brain activity and development. So it's a great skill. So in cup stacking, you're going to have to do that. And so this is going to be really good for your that brain development. And so I've included a couple different things. First, you have your warm up. Your warm up is going to be the Tabata warm up. We've done this before. Obviously, it's been a while. But if you can remember, it's 20 seconds of doing the exercise, and then you get a 10-second rest. Okay. And then after you've done your Tabata warm up, I have put a cup stacking intro video. So this video is going to introduce you to what cup stacking is, a basic cup stacking, learning to stack. So you get some information there about cup stacking and exactly what it is. And then you've got what they call the 3-3-3 stack. This is the basic stack. So here she's going to teach you about first the 3 stack, so making it really simple, teaching you how to move your hands, how to move the cups, how to hold the cups, going through all that stuff. And then she's going to lead you to the 3-3-3 stack. So when we're cup stacking, she is using some they're called speed stack cups, and they're plastic cups. You may not have those at home, but that's okay. You can modify using some plastic cups, foam cups, the solo cups, anything like that. Do not use anything breakable, any of your glasses or anything like that. As always, make sure you check with your parents, a guardian, someone to make sure that the cups you are using are going to be okay. You will need 9 of them. So you might want to pause before you get to her video and make sure that you have your 9 cups that you're going to use to learn how to cup stack. After you have learned the basic 3-3 stack, then you're going to learn the next one, which is the 3-6-3 stack. So, and then you just progress from there. So pause any of the videos as you are going through and she's teaching you and you need to pause and practice before the video continues. Please feel free to do that so that you feel comfortable with cup stacking and you feel comfortable doing a 3 stack, a 3-3-3 stack, and then the 3-6-3 stack. Okay. All right, so that is what you are working on this week. So hopefully you enjoy that, something different. I know a lot of kids here at school love the cup stacking, although we don't get to do it often unless it's rainy days, but something different that most students can learn how to do and practice independently on their own. All right, so enjoy your PE time today, and I look forward to seeing you next week with our new activity. Bye.